Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tacos with leftover roti. First, gather your leftover roti. These versatile flatbreads are perfect for a creative taco night. Gently warm each roti in a dry pan over medium heat for about 30 seconds per side. This makes them soft and flexible, ideal for folding without cracking. If your roti are large, cut them in half or into thirds to create smaller, more manageable taco shells. Now, let's talk about fillings. The beauty of roti tacos is their adaptability. Consider a savory protein like spiced ground chicken, crumbled paneer, or seasoned black beans. For freshness, add crisp shredded cabbage, diced tomatoes, or thinly sliced bell peppers. Don't forget a delicious sauce. A creamy cilantro lime dressing or a spicy mango chutney works wonderfully to tie all the flavors together. Assembling your roti tacos is the fun part. Take a warm, pliable roti and spoon a generous portion of your prepared filling down the center. Next, add your favorite toppings. Freshly chopped red onions, a sprinkle of vibrant cilantro, or a dollop of cooling yogurt are excellent choices. A final squeeze of fresh lime juice over each taco will elevate the flavors, adding a zesty finish to your culinary creation. Your delicious roti tacos are now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them immediately while the roti are still warm and soft. You can arrange them on a platter, perhaps with extra sauces and toppings on the side, allowing everyone to customize their own. This innovative approach transforms simple leftovers into a fantastic, flavorful meal. It's a wonderful way to enjoy a creative and satisfying dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.